or something. So, let's see. How do you like? Hopefully, you're hearing me. How do you like the version without voice? It's the same amount of time, half an hour. I was thinking I will be more fast, more speed while tinkering with the code without talking, like in music when you're playing the guitar, if you are counting, it helps you to progress. But at the same time, in my experience, you when you're learning, you become more like it refrains you a little bit from the speed, but at the same time, it helps you to acquire more the speed. So it's like some weird stuff when you're about to talk. The same. I was thinking that it will be the same in programming. If you shut up, you can go fast, but same amount of time. Well, I spent some time at the end, like 10 minutes, trying to make this work. So in reality, there were like 20 minutes because this thing, it's I don't know, I'm sure what's happening here. There was a null pointer section. But here in the Scala, it's okay, it's the same expression, it's the same code. That's why I like having this backup. Well, that's all for today. Now I am going to play the guitar a little bit and have some sleep because tomorrow is Friday. Thank you very much for watching. See you. If we don't do live tomorrow, I will try because I want to finish this chapter and then take a break of this stuff and spend some time with algorithms because I really need a job, I need an income, to collaborate with my family. And uh, today I did have an interview about with Scala in the realm of Scala, but they were asking for certain technologies, you know, the ones related in the Scala ecosystem. Uh, in my experience, the industry is not interested. In my experience, hopefully for you it's different. I'm really hoping for you it's different. Uh, they are not interested in programming skill or knowing some Scala, not a lot, but some Scala, like I'm not Martin Odersky, but some programming skill. I am struggling, as you are seeing here. But they want some, like practical tools. I don't blame them. Uh, why would they want to hire someone? Uh, I mean, if they have vision, they will do it. Uh, like Steve Jobs said, to build great things in a long-term relationship, but it's quite different these days, even from 10 years ago. But I'm not blaming, I'm not ranting or bitching, I'm not saying anything. I'm just saying that I would like, I will take a break from this and focus on algorithms because it's also fun, it's imperative, programming, object-oriented programming, not functional. But I don't think that algorithms will land me to a job, but I don't care. Even when, for me, I am in an urgency to find a job. But I'm not sure if people will be interested in someone, like, okay, some algorithms and some data structures, but I want this technology. I believe it will be the same result, but I want to do that because it's part of the foundation of it's about computer science. Let's suppose I learn some technology. Still, perhaps they will say, okay, you know this because you read something, but I want any number of years with this technology. So somehow I need to come up with an idea of probably self-employment. I'm not sure. I didn't think of this scenario, to be honest, and perhaps it was a mistake. But there is this book on artificial intelligence talking about adversarial environments. You think that's something that you won't be dealing with, but in my opinion, you should prepare for a really adversarial environment, even if you, with the grace of above Lord, will never, hopefully, I don't wish, it is not my wish for you to encounter some adversarial situation, but it's in the Bible. When I did have a job, I should invest in tools. So here's an unsolicited advice. Invest in tools. Okay? And think about how you will be dealing with some, hopefully not adversarial environments. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what to build, so I can sell that to people and make an income. I do this, as I said in a previous video, because I want to share these struggles, hopefully for future generations. Even if some algorithms are trained with this data, video data, it's okay. Mm. Yeah, that's all. As you saw in the video, I was making the compiler happy, especially in map 2. The map, simple map, it was quite straightforward. And here, Where is it? And you know this, in reality, this stuff is in code in here, if you think about it. And this map too, really, it is like the same as this, you know? Take a look. Look at this. It's like screaming for today I am the same function. Almost. And probably that's will make you introduce you some bias when solving this problem. But at the end you have this helpful function unit. And I was hesitant in here of applying flatMap again. But since you are working with lists, you tend to use this. And I say, well, let's try it. And the compiler will say, this is wrong or this is right. It will be good if you can do it without the compiler assistance. But again, in the training course FP 101X, the instructor say, I don't care if you are using the compiler to use it. That's the other guy, Gerald Sustan. That's the job of the compilers. You know, there are people like squeezing their brains so you can have these incredible tools to assist you in writing, defining these functions, these abstractions. So yeah, what else? Been talking a lot. Oh my god, almost 11 o'clock. So I don't know if I'm going to play the guitar. Perhaps I just will take a sleep. Let's talk for 2 more minutes. And yeah, what else can be said? I take a look at the answer for this question, and perhaps I will make a video, perhaps not promising anything, because I don't think the solution has to do with what the author is asking in this problem. I will analyze that answer because I am unsure about that. Then we came here and read this, remember? It took us like a long time, and we defined flatMap. Then we just again, okay, now do this. Okay, so it seems like here they switch gears to another subsection, which is almost the end of the chapter, and then I will take a break. Mm. Yeah, take some time. If you have a job, take some time. What will be what could be you doing? What kind of without stressing too much. Think about without stressing too much. Think. Let's suppose I am in the most adversarial environment, and in terms of jobs, you know, the market, you know, how will you deal with that? Yeah. Thank you very much. Have a good one, and don't stop learning. Don't dismay. You might fail sometimes. Just deal with it and rise again, try again, and keep at it. And uh, you know, for example, I'm trying to lose weight, and sometimes I just uh, get too much, eat too much food, but it's not always. It's becoming, I'm almost destroying that habit. I am making great results, so I am very happy. And I am think about how I was able to eat a lot of food and not exercising for a long time. What I was thinking and what I was doing. I can't believe it. But now I am on track again because I want it. I want to do it. Mm. More code, less talk. Yeah, even if we want to make this 6.11, 6.10, there is a discussion, and as you saw early, it takes me like 1 hour and a half to understand what is really going on. Lots of drawing. So I will read this on my own. I won't put you into this again, and I will uh, make a live session of this and the final exercise 6.11, and then we'll switch here gears to the foundations of computer science, which is of course mathematics and algorithms. And this is great. Functional programming is great fun. But I am not into this like like I'm not closing my mind to any other paradigm. But this is good. I mean, this is great stuff for the brain. So thank you very much. Have a good night. Sleep tight. Bye.